Hi everybody, let's see what we are going to create today. Let's take a look. It's pretty beautiful, and also you see it has a great depth in that. So let's start creating that. At first we need to insert a new slide. In new slide we need this picture and this text. This picture is the one that I downloaded, and this text is not a very special thing. It's used Overdrive Sunset as a font, and I use one of these as effect. It's up to you, and I'm okay with that. It's feeling nice, but you can also always add something more. For example, if you want, you can give it some glow down or glow up. It's up to you. Let's go with that. And after that, you see here and here, without shadow, it's better. Now we need to copy that. You need to remember, you need to zoom in, and now here you take a look. I zoom in and copy the picture, not this text only, paste it here, a little more zoom in, and you can also, for now, if you want to see it now, it's nice, but you see, it's nice, but it has no effect to it. It's just like going in and going out. You can add some more effect if you want. So how you can create that? You must remember always your picture must be center and middle. Okay, how we can add some more effect? It's just an easy thing. You need to go to picture, and in the picture it's important to not use one of these and make the sharpness -28. Make the brightness lower and add a little contrast. And now you can run it and see the magic happen. You see, it's really fast, and I don't like it's going to go fast. So how we can change that? It's really also easy. You see here we have durations. Change the durations, for example, to something like 3.5, 3. Okay, 3.5. It's good. Now let's see. You see, it's give us the idea, and it's the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Until then, have a nice